priming the pump-fed machine. First of all, pour 900 ml of liquid into the machine, into the hopper, and then watch as that 900 ml goes down the hole into the barrel. By virtue of the fact that the liquid that you have just placed in the hopper is thicker than water, any residual water or sanitised water that has been left in the machine will be now pushed to the front of the barrel. So by putting an empty bucket and opening the barrel for a count of 2, 1, 2, you can feel sure that any residual sanitised solution has now been extracted from the machine. At this time, reinsert the pressure pipe, but do not connect the pressure pipe to the machine. Pour in the rest of your ice cream mix. This is quite possibly the most important part of assembling and getting ready to make your pump-fed ice cream machine work, is what we call the idiot check. At this particular stage, you should have assembled the pump correctly and everything should be working the way that we've intended. However, there may be a mistake. You may not have put lubricant, you may have the non-return valve upside down, there may be some situation that's been done incorrectly. So at this point now, if we do not connect the pressure pipe to the pump, we can see if the pump has been correctly installed. By turning the machine to clean out, we should see a large amount of soft serve ice cream mix coming from the front of the pump. By doing so, we know that the pump is correctly assembled, that everything is working well, so that when we connect the pressure pipe, that we know categorically product is coming up the tube, into the pump and down into the barrel where it's frozen and beaten. The next step is to turn the machine on to the ice cream sign or to 3 o'clock. In 5 to 6 minutes time the machine will stop, indicating that it's ready to produce ice cream. Components and functions on the HPC 135. 4 positions for the rotary switch. Stop means stop, off. This sign here means clean out, which you use when you're cleaning out the machine or you require the beater and the pump assembly to work without the refrigeration system. Make ice cream, fairly obvious, turn to make ice cream. And the overnight facility. This turns the machine into a refrigerating device that keeps the product in the hopper and the barrel at 4 degrees or below, which is safe food handling temperature. Red light here with the exclamation mark means that there is a critical error. We will go through critical errors in another chapter. The blue light indicator here means that the product is low in the hopper and the hopper requires filling. Temperature gauge on the front of the machine here indicates the temperature of the liquid in the hopper only, the hopper being the reservoir on the top of the machine, and this indicator will fluctuate between 4 and 6 degrees Celsius.